Welcome to the info of POCO M5, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open Play Store app, and here in the search field, let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. Now let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap to the right down corner to OK and click Enable in Settings. Now here tap on the switcher, click OK, again OK, and go back. After that, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to green Apple keyboard and tap to OK. Now the process is finished, and let's go back. Let's go, for example, here into the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.